Good morning, class. Now, Mr. Appiah is off sick, so you're going to have a new teacher today. Her name is Miss Kingston, and I want you all to be on your best behaviour.
Yes, Mrs. Johnson.
Okay, shut your mouth, shut your mouth, shut your stinking beaks. My name is Miss Kingston. Can anybody spell Kingston? You.
K-A...
Wrong. Did your father teach how to spell? Or did he just teach how to fuck up woman's life? Sorry about my language. The correct spelling for Kingston is K as in mess with me, I go kill you. As in I don't need no good for nothing shit of a talented wife dumping run off with a slut ugly man. Put your bumbleclad hand down. So, today we're gonna teach about life. Yes, you beautiful future Prime Minister.
My mummy said that we should love life.
And I say, life is like a birthday. Then a man comes along and just shit in your kidney. Because I'm a pussy girl. Sorry about my language. Don't tell your parents, I swear. But if you do, I will fuck you up.
May I have a plaster?
In Jamaica, we only use plasters for 3 things. 1, as sellotape. 2, as a silencer. And 3, as contraception.
But miss...
Shut your mouth before me thump you in your blood. It's now time for you to learn your nursery rhyme. All together now. Baba, black man, you cut them all off. Shut your mouth, shut your breath, shut your stinking beaks. Because you're short, that means you're close to the ground, which means you're close to my foot. So unless you want to feel me foot, come on me blood clot, Ross,